Hi guys, it's D-Dog here, and NapGirl123, she's not here right now. Anyway, there's new updates, and these look so cute. Look, new pandas have come to Jamal, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so you can click a banner to adopt one of these little critters for 3 diamonds, and there's a bouncy castle party, and what else? I think I missed that. And then vote which den you would like, and there's like 3 dens. There's like there's like a futuristic one, there's a pizza place, there's a paint one. I voted for the paint one because it looks really pretty. And then there's a new animal that's coming to Jamal. I already did this. It's an owl, I think. It looks so much like an owl, so I'm pretty sure it is. You guys can just like argue with me, but don't. like some of you might think it's like something different, but I think it looks pretty like an owl. It looks like an owl for sure for me, but you guys probably have like a different idea of what it is. Okay, let's get this up here. Okay, sorry for the silence. So I'm trying to focus. Okay. So I think I'm getting the hang of it. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks like an owl. So that's what I thought. Trying to build the whole thing. I'm kind of confused because they already have like the polar bears out. I thought they'll like maybe like wait a little bit before they brought something out like this. It doesn't make very much sense to me. It's pretty cool that they decided to bring one out, because I was like, what? I hope they bring one out soon. I guess, yeah. Oh my god, I'm almost done. If I get this like right, I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram. There's a little smudge here, but I don't really care. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like an owl. Yeah. So, well, you guys can think what it is. Comment down below what you think this little creature is. And yeah, because I'd like to know. I'm pretty sure it's an owl, but it could be wrong. It could be like some kind of animal I don't know of. Okay, I'm at the diamond shop to show you the little panda dudes. Little panda. Okay. And I have Arctic foxes. Oh my god, you can put hair on them. You can put hair on them? Like, seriously? Wow. Animal Jam is getting really advanced. Nah. It's like being really stupid. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, that looks so cute. Okay. These hair colors, these are hair. I don't think that's. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, it's just so adorable. Oh my gosh. And then there's like round ones. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my goodness. I think I like the circles and then the blushy faced ones. Just so adorable. Aww. So cute. Oh, oh my gosh. Go down to oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't take too long. Okay. Okay. This is awesome. This is so super awesome. Okay, I want to see the art and stuff. Okay. Just a minute, I'm gonna pause the video. Oh my gosh, guys. So one of my friends was at the party because I missed it because it's like over now. But anyway. Oh my god. What the? Sure. Okay. So anyway, it's just jumpy all around. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Whoa. I love it here. This is so awesome. So awesome. Oh my gosh. And the furniture. Oh my goodness. I hope if you get the furniture, it's like bouncy too. Because if it was like bouncy furniture, oh my god, wouldn't that be so fun? Oh my goodness. This is, wait, is the furniture, oh, the furniture's not bouncy. But it's really cool. Oh my gosh, I wish this was a den. If this was a den, this would just be like really. This would be this would be a super awesome den. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. I love it so much. Oh my god, it's so fun. This is like. I love this thing so much. It's so fun. It's just like you're jumping everywhere. Like, oh my god. This is the funnest party. Well, one of the funniest one of the funnest parties ever. This is just awesome. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yeah, it really kind of is. Wow, I love that Animal Jam came out with this party. Thank you, Animal Jam AJHQ, for making this party. Oh, and there's like, did I already like, yeah. Oh, I didn't go through, so updates and everything. Okay. Well, this is so fun. If you want to go to the party, like, I will probably just, like, be here. Like, I'm gonna, like, try to stay here. I'm gonna bring my backup account so I can, like, keep staying here. So, like, you can, like, follow me. and you can come to the party. So, yeah. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.